all the way from here you can see the arc. That's the arc over there. So we have a very wonderful property here, which is on a half plot. It's on a half plot. This is a detached room and parlor self-con. Then we have the detached one, you can see. This is the second building, which is room self-con 2. Room self-con 2. It's very, very close to Canaan land and other wonderful landmarks around it. You can see there's also lights in this area, 24/7 lights. And there's two access roads. So this is the back. We have 2 access roads. Yeah.